Hi everyone, this is Chloe from Launch. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are unboxing the Launch CRP123i version 3, an advanced yet easy to use scan tool for professional auto mechanic and DIY users. So let's open the bundles. As you can see, there is a diagnostic device, followed by a 16-pin OBD2 diagnostic cable, a Type-C charging cable, a user manual, and a quick start guide, as well as a cloth bag to store these items and be portable. So that's it for today's unboxing of Launch CRP123i version 3. If you are looking for an intelligent, durable, and multifunctional diagnostic tool, then this one will be a great choice. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments. I'm Chloe. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.